Yo, come check out the largest supercar inventory in California.
Okay.
Lamborghini Urus.
Uterus.
Black Series. Nice bed. It's not LA if there isn't a G-Wagon. 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 G-Wagon.
Driver, what car is this?
Maybach, my lord.
Oh, excellent.
488 Spider. Evo. Aventador, Pirelli Edition.
SPJ. Flying Spur. V8, W12.
488 Spider. ×2.
×3.
Boo. It's a ghost. Ghost.
Bentley Bentayga. Your mom's car.
Audi R8 V10 Plus.
PBX. Your cool grandma's car.
Just a stunner.
Venture SPJ. It's what it is. 2RS. The Widowmaker.
EBS Superleggera.
×2.
812 Superfast. Almost 800 horsepower, and we have 3 of them.
We've got a yellow Urus over here, yellow interior. We have another yellow Urus over here. This guy over here, though, he wasn't invited to the party. 4x4 G-Wagon.
488 Dread. 765. There's only 765. Ferrari Roma.
It's new. McLaren 720S. Fun fact for you, this is the car I've gone the fastest in my life in, 180. He says because I didn't hit 200.